हे इट इज सैटरडे मॉर्निंग और ये मेरा नया रिचुअल है। कॉफ़ी बनी है, थॉट्स ब्रूइंग है और मैं यहाँ हूँ अपने आप के साथ और इस माइक के साथ। दिस इज आर्किटेक्ट्स एफएम वॉइस नोट्स दैट आई एम लीविंग फॉर माई सेल्फ। वीकली रिफ्लेक्शन, क्रिएटिव फ्लो and the thoughts that stayed with me all week. Finally getting space to breathe. एक सफ़र दिल्ली से दिल तक। If you are listening, thank you for being here. I hope something that I say makes you smile, makes you feel less alone in your own complex, beautiful manner. But honestly, I'm recording this like no one's listening. Like it's just me and this moment. Chalo, let the thoughts flow. Hey girl, सुनो ज़रा। I know this is going to sound weird, but just stay with me, okay? So, right now, I can literally imagine three versions of me sitting right here. Like three Kashishs. One is 15-year-old standing at the biology classroom door wondering which stream to choose, scared that she'll pick up the wrong one. And one is me, the 30-year-old one, sitting in Gurgaon, architect bani, business co-found kara, but still figuring out what's next, more complex than I thought I would ever be. And there's one more, 45 years one, who is ahead of the time. She hasn't happened yet, but she's still here, watching, smiling, because she knows that something that we don't know yet, Kashish. This is Architects FM, इंडिया का पहला आर्किटेक्ट लेड रेडियो स्टेशन। वॉइस नोट विद कशिश। एक सफ़र दिल्ली से दिल तक। And today we are having a conversation like तीनों का मिलकर एक साथ, because I think that the younger one needs to hear this, what all I want to talk about. And I think future me is trying to tell me something which I really need to absorb and listen up carefully. तो चलो, let's just sit together. अरे 15-year-old वाली कशिश, तू क्या सोच रही है? आई नो व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग राइट नाउ। स्ट्रीम चूज़ करना, साइंस लेनी है या कंप्यूटर साइंस, एवरीवन सेइंग एक चीज़ पे स्टिक कर, बायोलॉजी अच्छी लगती है लेकिन फिर भी टेंशन है कि बास्केटबॉल कैसे मैनेज होगा, कोच बोल रहा है कि नेशनल लेवल खेलोगी तो फिर ये सब कैसे करोगी, एंड जो तुम स्केच करती हो अपनी स्केचबुक में, बिल्डिंग्स, पीपल, थिंग्स अराउंड, क्या सोच रहे हो कि मैं क्या बनना चाहती हूँ? राइट, बट लिसन टू मी केयरफुली। You're asking the wrong question. You're not supposed to become one thing. You're supposed to layer. Dekh, I'm sitting ahead of you 15 years. And guess what? I know what you did. So let me tell you. You took biology. And yes, you loved it because you wanted to understand how humans function. कैसे बॉडी वर्क करती है, कैसे माइंड वर्क करता है और कैसे इन सब का कनेक्शन आपको एक इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन बना देता है। यू प्ले बास्केटबॉल नेशनल लेवल, दिल्ली कैप्टन रही, हर मॉर्निंग 5 बजे स्कूल प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए पहुंची, डिसिप्लिन, कोऑर्डिनेशन, स्प्लिट सेकंड में डिसीजन लेना अंडर प्रेशर, ये सब तेरे डीएनए में एम्बेडेड हो गया है यार। And after that, you became an architect? Not just buildings, dude. Recreational architecture, neurodesign. मतलब spaces that makes people feel something. Biology और architecture मिल गए ना? Just see, that was not scattering. That was layering. Then, with your kiddo, you started a business like Villar, Emotions for All, an aroma candle brand, because you just realized that design isn't just visual, it's sensory. Smell changes spaces more than furniture can. And as you grew a little more older, you became an educator too, girl. बच्चों को डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग सिखाती हो ग्रेड 6 to 9 की, और प्रेस्टिजियस स्कूलों में टीचर बनकर, Oh my god, did you ever think that you will stand on that stage? Just the plot twist, you are leading the teams now naturally. So biology से basketball तक, basketball से architecture, architecture से entrepreneurship, and entrepreneurship से education. Oh my god, you are becoming a sports architect. Yeah, I made that word up because there was no word for what I have become. तो 15 ईयर वाली कशिश डोंट वरी तू कर लेगी जो भी स्ट्रीम चूज करेगी दैट्स नॉट द एंड इट्स जस्ट द फर्स्ट फ्लोर ऑफ द बिल्डिंग जो अभी बननी जस्ट शुरू हुई है बट यू नो व्हाट देयर इज अनदर वन 45-year-old वाली कशिश इज ऑल्सो सिटिंग हियर एंड शी इज लुकिंग एट मी like at me who's present wali and smiling kyunki she has seen the pattern she's saying that kashish tu fir se aaj wahi kar rahi hai right now I'm just sitting here thinking अब क्या आर्किटेक्ट बन गई बिजनेस चल रहा है टीचिंग भी कर चुकी अनमैरिड हूँ थोड़ी अनफिगर्ड आउट हूँ ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड देन आई एवर थॉट बट देन स्टिल कुछ दिन लगता है दैट आई हैव इट ऑल टुगेदर but the other some days are still under construction. So the older me is saying, अरे 15 पे भी तो यही फील हुआ था ना स्ट्रीम चूज करनी थी सब सेट करना था एवरीवन एक्सपेक्टेड यू टू हैव वन क्लियर पाथ और तूने क्या किया अपना रास्ता निकाला 30 पे भी सेम है यू थिंक दैट यू शुड ऑल हैव फिगर्ड इट आउट बाय नाउ marriage, clarity, perfect blueprint, everything sorted and settled. But see, complexity is not confusion. Layers are not chaos. You're just not lost, Kashish. You're layering again. And yeah, she's right. Because this podcast, Architects FM, ये भी एक layer है. Voice notes, morning thoughts, sharing what I'm building, not just in CAD files, but in life. Showing women architects in India that even girls have bigger dreams, not by having it all together, by just being honest about the construction process. तो ये हुई ना बात 3 kashish 3 phases but actually same person's different floor 15 wali kashish taught me to take the leap even when I don't know where I'll land 30 wali kashish ne सीखा that whatever you are doing right now will be all okay even with complexity you are still becoming and the older 45 wali kashish is still reminding me that this is the pattern of your life girl building always building science taught you how humans function basketball taught you to be disciplined and being in team coordination architecture taught to design for human potential entrepreneurship taught me to execute vision education taught me to just inspire. But the real lesson you don't have to choose one thing, you can be all of it. Biology student, national athlete, architect, design strategist, neuroarchitecture specialist, educator, entrepreneur, emotional, and what not all. So, yeah, sports architect, someone who always asks, what makes humans thrive? And it applies everywhere in spatial planning, in brand building, in team coordination, in teaching kids, in waking up at sunrise with coffee and recording these voice notes. So, yeah, this is Architects FM, presented from India. Emotions for all. एक सफ़र दिल्ली से दिल तक. Some mornings I'll talk about design, some mornings neuro, emotional, some mornings like what basketball taught me about leadership, some mornings why a candle may changes a complete sense of a room, some mornings just the mess of being 30 and still under construction. This isn't a podcast about having it all figured out. It is a live construction diary. And maybe, like just maybe, the younger old version of me needed to hear this, that it is okay to layer. That complexity isn't confusion. And maybe the present me needs to know that too. That तूने पहले भी किया था यार, तू आगे भी कर लेगी कशिश. Welcome to the site. It's still messy, it's multi layered, and it's under construction, just like us. I'm Kashish, welcoming you to this, just the foundation of a construction site of our life. Let's build together. You know what? I am just so grateful that I finally began. I've been thinking about this for so long, बहुत लंबे टाइम से. Whether should I document, whether should I share, I should start, but कभी शुरू ही नहीं किया. And today, ये real है, ये हो रहा है. And if you're listening, truly, thank you so much. Stay with this Safarnama with me, week by week, Saturday by Saturday. I have this feeling कि कुछ magical बन रहा है, slowly, beautifully, brick by brick, like any good architecture. We are building something here, together, even if it is just you and me. Till then, next Saturday morning, same coffee, same mic, same site under construction. Take care, keep layering.